Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, so the phrase is this one.
It is... You adjust. What's your favorite animal? So what's that in Japanese?
好きな動物は何ですか?
So, I mean, you can use this in like a variety of different situations. Like if you're just asking someone's favorite thing, you could just replace animal with like what's your favorite color or something like that, you know? And you would just use it to ask someone what their favorite thing is, essentially.
Yeah.
Yep. Making like small talk or something.
Yeah.
Essentially.
Good.
Yeah.
Good things to talk.
To meet people for the first time.
Yep. And we love animal.
Yes, we do.
Yes. We go to zoo often.
Yes, I love the zoo.
Yeah, we just went to. That's
Yeah.
That's good, eh? What's
It was
our
very good.
red panda?
Yeah, red panda. I
Yes.
love them.
So good.
Yes.
Yes.
We were watching them for maybe like 20 minutes or something.
Yes.
We were just watching them.
Yes. But just one. We
Yeah.
went to Queens Zoo.
Uh-huh.
The last time we had two. They
Yeah.
four together. It's very cute. But
Yeah.
this time only one.
Yeah.
Yes. So, what animal do you favorite?
That's hard. I have a favorite animal in like different categories. Like my favorite, like for example, my favorite cat is like a British Shorthair.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite dogs are like Shibas, Pomeranians,
Yes.
and I always call them Shubis. What are they actually called? Samoyeds or something? Yeah.
In Japanese?
No, like
Samoyed.
English.
Okay.
Yeah, Samoyed or something. They're like the big white fluffy dogs. I don't know. I have a lot of animals I like. Red panda is one of my favorites too. How about you?
So I liked a lot too.
Yeah.
I like, of course, cat, dog, and marmot, hamster.
You love like rats.
Yeah,
You're always
rats.
very happy when you see one.
Yeah, sometime. Actually, we have a cat. You have to meet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's gonna start screaming.
Yay.
Here's our cat Nana.
Nana.
She doesn't
Hi.
want to be in front of the camera. She has a very grumpy face.
No.
She's very chatty too. She likes talking a lot.
Okay.
Wow.
Bye bye. Yeah, she doesn't wanna be close to us.
Yeah, not always.
But don't wanna be too far.
Yeah.
In Japanese word say tsundere.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, tsundere. How can I explain?
It feels like
in English.
she loves us, but she doesn't like want to get too close and like
Right.
reveal that she loves us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So she always pretends like she wants to be a little bit farther away, but she's
Yes.
always still near us though.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like
all
she actually
time.
hates us.
She's staying where we can see.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Like if we're on the couch, she won't like be in the other room usually. She'll be on like the far end of the couch,
Yeah.
but still like kind of near us, so we can
Yes.
like pet her.
Yes.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. So really cute. But
Yeah.
so the difference is in Japan, even if you go to vet, Jui-san, it's very cheap there. But here, ridiculous. Actually, more than us, more than the people.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah. What was that? 2 years ago?
2 years ago, yeah.
Yeah, she got surgery.
Yeah.
So it took $3,000.
Yeah, $3,000.
$3,000
It's a lot.
at Christmas. It was
Yeah.
a big Christmas present.
Christmas present from Nana.
I couldn't go to the party. I could just, I had to
Yeah.
see Nana. Yeah, so I really recommend that you should keep and you should have a pet here, but you really have to take care of their health. Otherwise, yeah. So sometimes we talk about the pets. Food is very cheap. Some of them they're very bad.
Yeah.
There's some sugary. Sometimes they get diabetes.
Yeah, my old cat had diabetes because he always ate bad food.
Yes. So even if you think, okay, this food is cheap, so I'm gonna buy this. Don't do that.
Yeah.
So end up you have to pay more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's much more worth it to just buy healthy food for them.
Yes.
And it doesn't cost that much more. Like, obviously the cheap food's really cheap, but like, you know, the healthy food you can find in stores too normally.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you have to see it. You have to see what's the ingredients.
Yeah, the first ingredient has to be like meat, usually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some of them not meat, just kind of sugar.
Just corn.
It's corn.
Yeah, just corn.
Okay. So
Yeah, that's
corn
very
or
bad
sugar.
for them. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
That makes them fat too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I got Nana from SPC. SPCA?
ASPCA. Yeah.
ASPCA. What's that stand for? SPCA. Yeah.
Animal Association.
Yes.
Super protect animals. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I forget what it was, but it's something.
But anyway, everywhere, like a shelter. They help animals. So at this time, actually, it's a Corona time.
Yeah.
So lots of people having pets. So actually, they are very busy. I've heard.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not open. I don't know. But whatever, everywhere.
Yeah.
So costs maybe $70. Because they have to take one time the bed first, and they have to put a tip and fertilize. What's called that? Fertilize? No.
No.
Fertilize the bed.
Fertilize.
More kids.
Yeah.
It's the opposite.
Yeah. Sterilize.
Sterilize. Okay.
Or like neuter.
Yeah, neutralize.
Yeah.
Neutralize.
Yeah.
Right?
Not neutralize.
No neutralize.
Neuter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Neuter. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever.
It's okay.
So everywhere waiting for you, the animals in New York City. So please have one. Help them.
Yes, help them.
Yep. Okay. So let's repeat this phrase.
Okay, so I'll say it slowly first, and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along.
Yep.
What's your favorite animal? Okay, a little bit faster now. What's your favorite animal? Okay, one more time at normal speed. What's your favorite animal? And that's it.
Right.
Yay.
Good.
How'd you do? Did you do okay?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you have any suggestions for one of our future videos, feel free to leave that in the comments below. If you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, also feel free to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. 質問等ありましたらお答えします。あと、チャンネル登録もよろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you. See you next time.
Right, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.